Whirlpool means you're going in a circle. That means that you can't pedal because you're flopping, right? Okay, cool. All right, thank you all.
I can.
So, here is the game. It's called foot down. Listen up here. It's called foot down. The game is you can't put your foot down. Okay? So we're gonna do the whirlpool just like we were doing, all one direction. And what's gonna happen is that Tori and I and Miss Monica are gonna slowly make the box smaller. Okay? Now, this is not a speed game. There is no racing. The game is to not put your foot down, so it actually helps to keep in control, to keep slow. The point of the game is to have fun and to practice your skills of standing and balancing, because we're going to try and to keep Whirlpool, keep going until we can make this box really, really small. And the last people that do not have their feet down are the winners of the game. You guys want to play?
Yeah.
All right, we're playing foot down. So the game is to not put your foot down, right? Okay. So now we're gonna slowly enclose the circle, make it smaller and smaller. Okay, so it's about going slow, it's about balance. You can play a little bit of offense by maybe stopping in front of somebody. That would, oh. No, it's part of the game.
I know, but what if they bump into you and kill you?
They're not gonna kill you. You're going very slow. It's a balance game, folks. It's a balance game. Should we make it smaller? What do you say? A little smaller?
Bigger.
Okay. The circle's getting smaller. It's more about balance now. You could just stop. One way to play is you can just stop and just like balance.
Bikes in front of me, so I couldn't see the next car.
Yeah. Oh, look, she played some offense, but here, my friend, you were out, so I don't want you to get another person out yet. We'll start again. We'll try again. Slow is the name of the game. Nice job. That was tricky. We got 3 left. 3 left. Oh, foot down. We got 2 left here. Who is going to put their foot down last?
Hazel, Connor, stay away from Hazel.
Stop in front of him.
Yeah. Oh, 2-time champion.